Many say the watch you wear reflects your personality, just like your choice of clothes, hairstyle, or jewelry. And few brands understand that personal expression quite like Nomos Tetra. This year, the German brand returns to one of its most iconic shapes, the Tetra, now reborn in a new Origin series, inspired by nature's earthy tones. The Tetra was part of the very first 4 Nomos collections, alongside the Ludwig, Orion, and Tangente, and it's been a design pillar ever since. Its minimalist, Bauhaus-inspired geometry and playful personality have made it timeless, literally. Now, Nomos celebrates that spirit of individuality with the Tetra Origin series, a quartet of watches that paid tribute to the natural world: Ochra, Terra, Salvia, and Basalt. Each dial color reflects a grounded connection to Earth: yellow, red, green, and charcoal, tones that feel warm, organic, and deeply human. Visually, the Tetra remains classic Nomos: compact, slim, and perfectly proportioned. The case measures 29.5 by 29.5 millimeters with a slender 6.5 millimeter thickness. The stepped lugs add just a hint of Art Deco flair, and the square sapphire crystal enhances the watch's crisp geometry. The finely grained dials feature recessed small-second subdials, polished needle hands, and those signature elongated Arabic numerals. Each dial is punctuated by a vibrant seconds hand, a small, joyful pop of color that keeps things unmistakably Nomos. Turn it over, and you'll find the DUW 401, Nomos' own hand-wound movement. Based on the classic Pursue 700 architecture, it's been refined and upgraded to include the Nomos Swing System escapement, meaning it's now fully in-house. The finishing is exactly what you'd expect from Glashütte craftsmanship: blued screws, perlage, gold engravings, and Glashütte ribbing. The movement beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour, offering a 43-hour power reserve, practical, reliable, and beautifully executed. The Tetra Origin series comes on a beige, vegan leather strap, keeping the look minimal and eco-conscious. It's modern elegance with a conscience, and at €2,180, it's a watch that blends craftsmanship, color, and character without pretense. Nomos once again proves that personality doesn't need to shout. Sometimes it's quiet, square, and perfectly balanced. So, which of the 4 new Tetra Origins speaks to you? Ochra, Terra, Salvia, or Basalt? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look at Nomos' newest creation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more stories from the world of fine watchmaking.